Hello, and welcome to Module 3 in our research course. In Module 3, we begin two phases of our ultimate project for the end of this course and the end of this program. The first phase is to begin writing the paper which will accompany your project, or which will be your thesis. Whichever path you choose, there is still a paper to be written, even if you are choosing to do the project. In fact, I encourage you, if you are still on the fence, to do the project. You'll end up with portfolio items which will showcase what you've learned, as well as having done graduate level writing similar to, but not quite as long as, a thesis. This first paper for our class will form part of your Chapter 1. Chapter 1 won't be done at this point, but we will have a start on it. What goes into Chapter 1? Your chapter should begin with a general introduction to the situation for which you will be designing a class, or the general issue in which the problem you will be studying for your thesis is situated. For example, if you'll be writing a course for your middle school social studies students, your general introduction will explain a little about your school, the demographics, and the needs of students. If you're doing a thesis researching how online students collaborate effectively, your general introduction will give a little background on e-learning and briefly why collaboration would benefit students. So the first section is the general introduction. Keep it general, keep it introductory, and remember you will continue to flesh out this first introductory section later. The next section of the paper will be your problem or needs statement. Project or thesis, either one, there should be a real problem being solved or a real need being filled. If there is no need for the course you are writing, why are you spending so much time and effort writing it? If there's no question to be answered by your research, there's no point in pursuing it. The problem needs statement has 4 parts. In the course materials, I have labeled these Statement 1, Statement 2, etc. These labels, Statement 1, Statement 2, are pre-writing help for you. Your final problem needs section should not include these labels as subheadings. Use them to help you draft your statement, then abandon the labels, and write a coherent paragraph or two which flows from one statement to the next. The next section, for now, will be a list of terms which the reader has to understand in order to understand the rest of the paper. Even a term like adult can mean many things. Put in the definitions for any terms which a reader might misunderstand. You will be adding to this list along the way. Later, there's another section to be added to Chapter 1, but that's plenty for you to do right now. Okay, that was the first part of Module 3. The second part is looking forward to your library research, which will help you write your Chapter 2. Before you hit the library databases, I want you to have a solid list of keywords and phrases to guide your search. Wandering around aimlessly through the databases is a huge waste of your precious and valuable time. That's Module 3. Phew! Sounds hard, but remember you have your colleagues to help you with peer reviews of your work, as well as, of course, myself.